Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Raiders, welcome back to the show. I'm Nolani.
And I'm Rajay, and these are your news and announcements for today, Tuesday, November 5th.
Welcome back, Raiders. It's election day and we made it to week 4 of second quarter. Since Thanksgiving is coming up, what are you thankful for?
Hey Raiders, please join me in congratulating Albert Santos on being this Raider Rockstar for 11-4 to 11-15. Albert has had multiple nominations for Rockstar. One colleague said, Albert is what makes CI amazing. All the media he does for the school in his free time is some of the best media that we have. He supports all of our athletics with the best weekly announcements. Plus, is just an all-around kind, hardworking person. Thank you for all that you do for our colleagues and students, Albert. You rock. Please continue to nominate those people you feel deserve a bit of extra recognition for all that they do at the Islands. Our next rock star will be announced on 11/18. You can nominate your colleagues here.
The CIHS Anime Club is thrilled to invite you to our first meeting of the year. Join us this Friday during lunch in room 50, whether you're a longtime anime enthusiast or just curious to learn more. Come be a part of our exciting community. Let's dive into the world of anime together. We can't wait to meet you all.
Now let's hear from Mr. Z about Thursday's blood drive.
Good morning, Raiders. This Thursday, we have a blood drive. Vitalent Blood Organization will be coming and taking blood because we do have a blood shortage in Ventura County. So we need you to donate. We'll be taking sign-ups today at lunchtime. And if we don't fill up all the slots, we will continue to take sign-ups on Wednesday. So you'll see a chart. If you match the height and weight requirements, please sign up today for the blood drive on Thursday. You'll be given a permission slip form that your parents need to sign, and you'll be ready to go. You'll pick the time of day that you're going to donate, and please, please, please follow through with your sign up, because sometimes people sign up and they don't show up. So, Raiders, we need you. This is important. Thank you.
Thank you.
The World Language Department and Spanish Club would like to formally invite you to our 7th annual Dia de los Muertos celebration, which will take place on November 8th from 5 to 8 p.m. We hope that you can join us for this cultural celebration and enjoy live music and food. Please save the date.
Welcome back to the show. If you guys have any new recommendations for the show, feel free to contact us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
Upcoming events. Monday is Veterans Day, so there is no school.
It's time for a reminder about your college applications workshop from EAOP.
Good morning, seniors. I am Ms. Zamora of UBCI, and I'm here to make a very important announcement for y'all. So you have less than a month until CSU and UC applications are due. We've been having our weekly college application workshops, and now that it's November, we're going to have 2 workshops a week. So starting today, Tuesday, we will be at the library 2 to 6, and as well as Thursdays. So definitely take advantage of that. We're happy to help students no matter where you're starting off. You definitely don't want to wait last minute on this. So please stop by, again, Tuesdays, Thursdays, at the library from 2 to 6, and we will be having 2 additional workshops during Thanksgiving break. But again, don't wait last minute just because we want to make sure that you enjoy that break and don't stress so much. So those days will be the 25th and the 26th. That should be Monday and Tuesday from 10 to 2 here at the library as well. So there's plenty of opportunity for you guys to incorporate these workshops into your schedule so that way you get help. And I hope to see y'all there. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Zamora.
Here is all your sporting news for the week.
This Thursday will be the Citrus Coast League Championships at Lake Casitas for cross country boys and girls. Come out and support our teams for CIF playoffs.
Attention fall sports athletes, are you interested in trying out for boys basketball? If so, a special trial is being held just for you. It's open to all levels. Today, November 5th at 3:45 p.m. in the gym. This is a one-day tryout, so please bring your best game.
Important announcement, seniors. The yearbook committee is taking your senior quotes. Use the QR code on the screen to submit yours. Your quote will not be put in if you haven't taken your photo. Make sure to use your school email. Any issues uploading your senior quote, come see us in room 93A to submit your senior quote to us in person. The deadline for your senior quote is December 18th.
Check out the November schedule for the Rincon Wellness Center schedule. Please.
Want us to spread the word about your club or events here on the show? Want your picture shown in the rated mural? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. This is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Subscribe to CI Live.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.